I love the name of it also, like Buttah. Buttah. It's like your skin looks like butter. Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Sha. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna start off by saying you already see what this video is gonna be about. I'm reviewing a new skincare line because I'm really looking for a skincare line that I can use consistently and not have to worry about shipping being late, shade. Just like all of these extra factors that make it harder to make this routine more consistent. So I was really looking for a company that had a subscription model because I want the products to just roll in, because when you're ordering stuff online, I usually am like, okay, I see it's ending, so I'm gonna order it. But then there's delays and it's like one item is ending before the rest. So it's just a lot. And if you've been a firm subscriber in the Sha Squad, what up? You saw in a previous video that I was using, you know what, I'm just gonna say it because we're gonna keep it real. I was using Be Transcendent and I paid for that with my own money, like my own coins and all of that. I received a lot of comments under that video, and I will tag it here. I received a lot of comments under that video of people saying, don't order from here because they will take your money and you'll never get your product. They're blaming COVID for the extra delays. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first read those, I was like, oh wow. This girl said, oh, they're only sending it to you because you're a YouTuber, yada yada. I'm like, I paid for this on my own. It's not like they sent it to me or I am getting a paid promotion. No, this was not a sponsorship, none of that. I bought it with my own money because I saw it's on Instagram and I was like, this looks cool, so let me go and let me get it. And I loved the products, I think I ordered it, I started back in, I think March or April of 2020. Ordered it. It took a little bit longer to come, maybe like 10 days, but they said that it was within the time frame that they had mentioned because of COVID. And that first time that I got it, my toner actually came broken, so I DM'd them and they sent me another one. So I'm like, I don't know what y'all are talking about. Like, I had great experiences with this company. It wasn't until maybe a few weeks ago, so I've been using it throughout the year. But this last time, I ordered it back at the end of March, y'all. It is now May 15th. Where is it at? Because it ain't here. I had to call Chase because I contacted Be Transcendent. I contacted them. They said, sorry, we're experiencing delays. It should be there within blah, blah, blah. I gave them 2 more weeks. 2 more weeks. It was already a month. And I gave them 2 more weeks. No communication, no updates, nothing. It wasn't until I filed a dispute with Chase, because I don't play about that. And Chase, they hold it down. If I don't get something, I'm calling Chase and I'm getting my money back. So I filed a dispute with Chase. And once Chase filed that dispute, I received a notification from Be Transcendent saying, your order has shipped. The order still isn't here. So where did it ship to? So I say all that to say, I agree with y'all who were commenting under the video, that last video, because at first I was like, no, let's not cancel her so quickly. Maybe she's experiencing some problems with COVID. But it's a no. Because a couple of my friends, because of me, they ordered Be Transcendent and they're like, girl, I still never received my product. And I was like, I cannot stand behind a company that does not stand behind their word. Alright, did not mean for that story to go this long, but let's jump into the review. I decided to look into other Black-owned skincare lines, and I came across Buttah. First off, let's look at the packaging. Let's look at the packaging, alright? Look at it. It's cute.
So I absolutely loved the packaging. Just to read something from their info card, I got the skin transforming kit and it says easy as 1, 2, 3 to get glowing skin as smooth as butter. Our natural ingredients work together to gently cleanse, exfoliate, protect, and moisturize daily to uncover your best skin. The transforming kit is perfect for men and women alike. Buttah knows what you need to get glowing.
So when I looked on the website and I watched a lot of reviews, people talked about the skin transforming kit, and I love a good kit because I feel like it saves me money and I just get everything that I need from this one line and I don't have to worry about anything else. I am a very simple skincare kind of gal. Don't give me 12 steps to do because I will only do 3 of them. This is my absolute first time using these products, so you're getting first impressions, real first impressions. Before we move forward, and this box is the customizable kit, but it didn't come with a toner, and I love a good toner, so I ordered the toner in addition to that. The customizable kit itself is $59.99. I think if you sign up for the first time, you get 10% off, and then the toner is $19. So the toner is a little bit pricey, and I wish that it was included in the customizable kit, but it's not. So we'll see. If it does what it needs to do and it gives what it needs to give, then I'm okay with it. Okay, okay, some of the items shifted, but that's okay. That's okay, that's okay. So it comes like this. All right. Dorian Renaud, not really sure how to pronounce his name, but in the inside, it just really talks about what is included in the cleanser, the vitamin C serum, and the moisturizer of your choice. It also tells you how to use it, so everything you need to know right here. And with the toner, first off, this bag, I'm gonna use it. Like, if I'm traveling and I need to put stuff in my skincare, I'm using it. This bag is so cute. So the toner comes with these little face pads, but I already have a ton of them. Say hi to your new friends. Be nice. And it's a rose water toner. Oh, I've been doing it wrong. It says, apply 4 to 5 drops to freshly cleansed and dried skin. Massage in a circular motion over face, neck, chest, and any problem areas. I gotta put the serum first and then the moisturizer. Who knew? All right.
So the cleanser says it is here to uncover your most radiant skin. With soothing coconut oil and lavender flower extract, it'll condition to calm your complexion, leaving your skin smooth, hydrated, and healthy looking. What it does is it gently lifts away dirt, oil, debris, and sloughs off dead surface cells that cause dullness. So what I did was I just squeezed a penny-sized amount into my palm and then massaged over damp skin in a circular motion. I did this for about 60 seconds. Because I really wanted to make sure that the product was really into my skin. So I did notice how gentle the cleanser is, and I'm just curious as to how it'll work when I have a full face of makeup. I know I'm probably going to have to do a couple of washes or use a different cleanser because it is really, really lightweight. But overall, I did like how it felt. I don't like things that are super oily on my skin because I have oily skin, and this says that it's excellent for daily use on all skin types.
This is how my face looks after I've washed, and it's already giving me clean, cleansed, smooth butter. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the toner. So as I said, I have a ton of these. I just love them. 3 squirts on the pad, and I just rub through. Smells really good. It's the rose water toner. You can definitely smell the rose water. Wow, it smells really good. And I really like toner because it gets like the extra dirt. It's not a lot of dirt, but the extra dirt if you have like makeup or something. I usually do 2 washes, but since this is my face from like waking up, I went to sleep without makeup, so I didn't really have to do 2 washes. So after I've done that, I'm now gonna go in with the vitamin C serum.
Their tagline for this says, "Get your glow on with our magic in a bottle." So here it says that you can get a more radiant and smoother complexion with our proprietary mix of retexturizing vitamin C, an antioxidant-rich formula combined with the right amount of vitamins to revitalize your skin and improve the appearance of dark spots. Now I have a couple of dark spots because I do have melasma, so hopefully this works. You apply 4 to 5 drops to freshly cleansed and dried skin. Then you just massage in a circular motion over your face, your neck, your chest, and any problem areas, and just allow it to absorb for 1 minute.
Ooh, ooh. It doesn't burn, but there's like a slight little tingle. I think my pores are open. Whoa. Okay. What I'm noticing so far about this, it's like an in-between of drying and moisturizing. When I add the moisturizer, it's probably gonna be better. It feels a little sticky on me right now, but let's see.
The tagline for this says, "Boost radiance as you soothe, hydrate, and nourish your skin." I chose the Cocoa Shea Revitalizing Cream. It's a lightweight cream with rich butters, hyaluronic, correct me if I'm wrong, acid, and rose water, ideal for combination skin.
The consistency is thick. Pretty thick.
So with this, you just massage generously over the face and neck using upward circular motions. I did not do upward circular motions. At least I don't think I did. That's something I'm working on.
I do like the moisturizer. I think that the moisturizer alleviates the stickiness of the vitamin C serum. Maybe I put too much of the vitamin C serum. I don't know. Next time I'll try a little bit less. But here's how my face is looking. Definitely Buttah. Like, do you see the glow? You can literally see the glow. All right. In order for me to really tell how I like this, I'm going to do another update video. But first impressions so far, the cleanser definitely helps me feel clean and cleansed. Like right after I washed my face, it was like, boom, now moisturized. It didn't feel like there was any dirt left over on my face. The toner, I like how lightweight this was. It definitely opened my pores, because when I popped that serum back on, I felt the, like, it stung a little bit, but not in a bad way. It was just like, ooh, that is intense, okay? But I can see this vitamin C serum doing great things, especially for my dark spots. If you watch my last video, I have melasma. And then last step is this moisturizer. So I'm gonna do this twice a day. I always wash my face twice a day, and I don't really have like a daytime skincare routine versus a nighttime skincare routine. I use the same things. All in all, I do like Buttah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know how you feel about this review. Also, let me know if you've tried out Buttah or plan on trying out Buttah, because we need to talk. We need to talk, all right? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Until next time.